Is the SUPCASE UB Pro going to be worth it for the Nintendo Switch 2? Let's find out. So first off, you do have a nice hard back when it comes to the whole back of the case. Everything is nice and protected. On the back, you also have a fold-out kickstand, fully made of metal, so you can flip that out and now you can place or prop up your Nintendo Switch 2. And that just easily folds right back into the case itself, so it has a super sleek design. When it comes to installing your Nintendo Switch 2 with the actual case, these little Joy-Con protectors do flip out 90 degrees. So once you do have those flipped out, you can then install your Nintendo Switch 2 with the Joy-Cons already installed as well. Flip these into the Joy-Cons and there you go. You would snap those in and you'll be good to go and you're ready to game. Each of the Joy-Con holders do have a nice ergonomic design as well, and they're a lot more thick. And they also have these little patterns that you can work your fingers into. So when you are gaming, it's a lot more comfortable. And if you plan on docking your Switch 2 with the case on it, it is dock compatible, so you don't have to take it off and then dock your Switch 2. You can just place it right on there with the case on. Overall though, if you are looking for a simple but protective case for your Switch 2, would definitely recommend the UB Pro. It's got all the protection you need, super comfortable, especially with the Joy-Con holders, and the kickstand does make it a lot more convenient, especially for on-the-go use.